Do you hear me clearly? Please message me
Yes,
answer.
sir.
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Is it visible clearly now? What about this board?
Simple, sir.
Right. Today we will discuss about the question paper. Swollen leaf base found in leguminous plants is called. What is the answer for this question?
Pulvinous leaf base.
Pulvinous leaf base. Very good.
Option 4.
Option 4 is the correct answer. What is leaf blade? Why the first option is not correct?
Sir, leaf blade is outer surface or
Yes,
the lamp
that is, leaf blade is the expanded portion,
expanded portion of the leaf.
elaborated portion of the leaf. Not a petule, not stipules. Petule is the, what is
Stalk
petule?
of the stalk of the
Stalk of the leaf. Very good. Stipules?
small leaf-like structures present on petiole.
Very good. Small leaf-like structures present the base of the petiole stick. So pulvinous is the swollen leaf base is found in leguminous plants. That's called as pulvinous. Next, the four whorls of flower are arranged on. Option 1 is thalamus. Option 2 is petiole. Option 3 is corolla. Option 4 is stamens. What is the answer for this question? I repeat the question. The four whorls of a flower are arranged on. Four whorls of the
Option 1,
Option
thalamus.
thalamus.
very good. Option 1 is the correct answer. Sepals. Petals. Stamens. And the cortex. Arranged on thalamus. What is thalamus?
Tip of the pedicel.
Very good. The tip of the pedicel. The terminal region of the pedicel is called as thalamus. Like the sepals, petals, the four whorls of the flower arranged on thalamus. So first option is correct answer. Next, radial symmetry is found in flowers of radial symmetry. How many types of symmetries are there? How many types of flowers are based on the symmetry? Three types. What are they?
Actinomorphic, zygomorphic, asymmetric.
Very good. Actinomorphic, zygomorphic, and asymmetric flowers. So actinomorphic symmetry. What is another name of actinomorphic?
Radial symmetry.
Radial symmetry. Very good. Very good. Radial symmetry is found in the flowers of. Option 1 is Cassia. Option 2 is chili. Option 3 is Gulmohar. Gulmohar. Option 4 is Kerna.
Option 2, chili.
Very good.
Option 2.
Very good, right? That's option 2.
Option 2. C.
Very good. Option 2 is correct answer. Next, the ray florets of sunflower has the ray florets of sunflower has option 1 is superior ovary, option 2 is of inferior ovary, The given option 3 is of superior ovary. Option 4 is inferior ovary.
Sir, inferior ovary. Fourth option.
Option 4.
Option 4, inferior ovary.
Yes, very good enough. Fourth option is correct answer. Inferior ovary. The next question. Match the column 1 with column 2 with respect to estimation. What is this indicate? This diagram? The first diagram in column 1.
Valvate.
Valvate.
Valvate, very good. In column 2, the given one, first one is valvate. The second, maxillary. Third, twisted. Fourth one is imbric. Third diagram. So this is a third diagram. That's given in a column 1. Next, fourth diagram. Okay, the first one, the given first one is in column 1, valvate estimation. Second one is
Twisted.
twisted, very good.
Twist.
Third one, this is
Imbricate.
Imbricate.
Imbricate, very good.
Fourth one, maxillary.
Fourth one is the maxillary. What is the answer? Which option is the correct answer?
Fourth option.
Very good. Option 4 is the correct answer. Next, carpels are fused in the flowers of. carpels are fused in the flowers? What are the given option? Option 1 is lotus. Option 2 is tomato. Option 3 is rose. Option 4 is both 1 and 2. What is the answer for this question?
1 and 3, sir. Both 1 and 3.
Sorry, here 1 and 3 given. Then what is the answer? Carpels are fused in the flowers of. Please message me answer in the chat box. Carpels are fused in the flowers of. Option 1 is lotus. Option 2 is tomato. Option 3 is rose. Option 4 is both 1 and 3. Very good.
Option 2, tomato.
Option 2 is the correct answer. Yes. The flowers of which of the following plant is zygomorphic? The question number 97. Zygomorphic. The flower of which of the following plant is zygomorphic? Option 1 is bean. Option 2 is datura. Option 3 is mustard. Option 4 is kenna.
Option
What is the
1.
answer for this question? Please message me answer.
Option 1, bean.
Very good. Option 1 is correct. Very good. Next, which of the following plant has a superior ovary? Question number 98. Superior ovary. Option 1 is peach. Option 2 is guava. Option 3 is China rose. Option 4 is rose.
Option 3, China rose.
Very good.
Option
Option 3 is correct answer. Superior.
Option 3, China rose.
Yes. Option 3. Very good. Next, which of the following plant has? Yes, Rana. Very good. Option 3. Which of the next question? The question number 99. Which of the following plant has epigynous flower?
Option 4, peach.
What are the given options? Epigynous flower. Epigynous flower. Option 1 is cucumber. Option 2 is brinjal. Option 3 mustard. Option 4 is peach. What is the answer for this question? Please message me answer in the chat box. Which of the following plant has
Option
Option 1.
Very good.
Option 1, cucumber.
Option 1 is the correct answer. What are the other examples given as per NCERT? Epigynous flowers.
Guava.
Ray florets of sunflower, guava.
Cucumber, guava, ray florets of the sunflower. Next question, question number 100. Mark the incorrect match. Option 1 is Calotropis, valvate. Option 2 is lady's finger, twisted. Option 3 is cassia, valvate. Option 4 is Gulmohar, imbricate.
Option 3 is valvate.
Very, very
Option
good. Very good. Option 3 is the correct answer. In cassia, that's the estimation is
Imbricate estimation.
imbricate, not a valvate. Next, the stony hard part of the mango represents. The question number 101. The stony hard part of mango represents. Option 1 is mesocarp. Option 2 is epicarp. Option 3 is endosperm. Option 4 is endocarp.
Option 4 endocarp.
Option 4 endocarp, sir.
Very good. Option 4 is correct.
Option 4.
Option 4. Very good. Option 4 is the correct answer. Endocarp. Next. The question number 102. Select the correct statement. Select the correct statement with respect to mango and coconut. What are the given options? Option 1 is they develop from monocarpellary superior ovaries. Option 2 is they develop from monocarpellary inferior ovary. They have fibrous epicarp. Third option. They have fibrous epicarp. The fourth option is they have fleshy edible mesocarp.
Sir, option 1.
Very good.
Sir, option 1, sir. They develop from monocarpellary superior ovary.
Yes, they develop from monocarpellary superior ovaries. First option is correct. Right, next one. The inner layer of the seed coat is called. 108. The inner seed coat.
Tegmen.
Tegmen, very good. Option 1 is testa. Option 2 is hilum. Option 3 is microbiome. Option 4 is tegmen.
Option 4.
Very good. Option 4 is the correct answer. Innermost, inner layer of the seed coat. Outer layer is called
Testa.
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 Testa. Very good. Next, which of the following plant has endospermic seed? Question number 104. Which of the following plant has endospermic seed? Option 1 is bean. Option 2 is gram. Option 3 is pea. Option 4 is castor. What is the answer for this?
Option 4 castor.
Very good.
Option 4 castor.
4 is the correct castor. Next question number 5. While representing a floral formula, G stands for, underline the G, that's stands for. Option 1 is epigynous flower. Option 2 is superior ovary. Superior ovary. Option 3 is inferior ovary. Option 4 is androecium. What is the answer for this question? Please message me answer in the chat box.
Option 2.
Very good. Option 2.
Option 2 superior ovary.
Option
Superior ovary. Okay, next question. Select the correct option. A, B or B, K, C, D, E. Whereas in column 2, the first one is corolla, second one perion, third one calyx, fourth one is bracteate. Bracteate. Right. BR means
Bracteate, sir.
bracteate. Very good. Bracteate. A4. K.
Calyx.
Calyx.
K stands for calyx. Right. C.
Corolla.
Corolla.
Right. C1. D.
Perianth.
Perianth.
Perion. Right. A4. B3.
Option
A4, B3. C1. Right. D. Perion. D.
2.
Right. D2. Yes. Which option is correct answer? Option. Please message me answer. Which option is correct answer for this question?
Option 3.
Very good. Option 3 is the correct answer. Next, actinomorphic nature of flower is represented by which of the following symbols? Actinomorphic. Actinomorphic. Actinomorphic nature of flower is represented by which of the following symbols? Option 1 is A. Option 2, %. Option 3, plus symbol inside the circle.
Sir, option 3.
Option 3, sir. Option 3.
Option.
Very good. Option 3 is the correct answer. Next, perigenous flowers are found in. Perigenous flowers are found in. What are the given options? Option 1 is rose. Option 2 is guava. Option 3 is cucumber. Option 4 is china. What is the answer? Perigenous flowers are found. Very good.
Rose.
Rose. First option. Next, which one of the following statements?
Option 1, rose.
Yes, very good. Option 1 is the correct answer. Next, which one of the following statement is correct? The seed in grasses is not endospermic. Endospermic. Option 2, mango is a parthenocarpic fruit. Option 3, a proteinaceous aileron layer is present in the maize grain Option 4 is a sterile pistil is called stamen.
Option 3, sir.
Very good. Sterile pistil is called as stamen. Option 3 is the correct answer.
Option 3, sir. A proteinaceous aileron layer.
Very good. Seed in grasses is endospermic or is it endospermic?
Endospermic, sir.
Non-endospermic. Very good. Endospermic.
Monocotyledon.
Is So mango is not a parthenocarpic
It's drupe fruit.
fruit, yes. A sterile pistil is called staminoid.
Sterile stamen is called staminoid.
Very good. Sterile stamen is called
Sterile
staminoid.
stamen is called staminoid.
Very
So
good.
actually, certain type or varieties of the mango belong to parthenocarpic fruit, no, sir? Certain type or certain varieties.
Seeds are present, no? Mango plant fruits.
Yes, sir.
And, yes, that's fruits are formed after fertilization process in mango. In grapes, that's in some of the plants, natural parthenocarpy in banana plants. Without the involvement of the human beings, the fruits are formed without fertilization in banana.
What about pineapple, sir?
Pineapple, that's fruit. That's composite fruit or aggregate fruit. That is true fruit.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, okay.
Sir, pineapple is an example for parthenocarpic fruit, no, sir?
Pineapple is the composite fruit, true fruit. Several entire inflorescence is involved in formation of the fruit, aggregate fruit. In jackfruit, pineapple, entire inflorescence in also involved in formation of the along with the ovaries
Yes,
of
sir.
the each flower. Right.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, you're welcome. When the margins of sepals or petals overlap one another without any particular direction, the condition is termed as when the margins of the sepals or petals overlap one
Imbricate,
overlap without any particular direction. Very good. Imbricate. Second option is the correct answer. Option 1 is vexillary, option 2 is imbricate, option 3 twisted, option 4 valvate. So
Option
imbricate, very good. Option 2 is the correct answer. Next, non-albuminous seed is produced in.
Option 4 P.
Yes, non-albuminous seed. What are the given options? Option 1 is maize. Maize is endospermic or non-endospermic?
Endospermic, sir.
Endospermic.
Yes.
Endospermic seeds, sir.
Yes, yes. Maize, castor, wheat.
All are endospermic.
Yes, these three are the endospermic seed.
P is non-endospermic.
Yes, P is non-endospermic seed. Non-endospermic seed. Non-endospermic seeds are known as exalbuminous seeds or non-albuminous seeds. So, what is the answer for this question? Non-albuminous seed is produced in. Very good. Fourth option is the correct answer. Right. In China rose, the flowers fall. The next question. Question number 112. In China rose, the flowers are. Option 1 is given. Option 1 is actinomorphic, epigynous with valvate estimation. Option 2 is zygomorphic, hypogynous with imbricate estimation. IA, imbricate estimation. BA, valvate estimation. Option 3, zygomorphic, epigynous with the twisted estimation. Option 4 is actinomorphic, hypogynous
Twisted estivation.
with twisted estimation. What is the answer?
Option 4, sir.
Very good.
Option.
Option 4 is the correct answer.
Option
China rose
4,
the-
sir.
Yes,
Actinomorphic hypogynous.
actinomorphic, hypogynous, and twisted estimation. Right. Placentation in tomato and lemon is. Placentation. What is placentation? Please mention.
Arrangement of
The
ovules.
arrangement of ovules on the
Ovules
placenta.
inside the ovary.
Very good. The arrangement of ovules within the ovary is called placentation. So placentation in tomato and lemon. Placentation in tomato and lemon. Option 1 is marginal. Option 2 is axillary. Option 3 is parietal. Option 4 is free central.
Option 2 axial.
Very good. Option 2 is the correct answer. Axillary placentation.
Up to axial.
Very good. Option 2 is the correct answer. Next, maxillary estivation is characteristics of the family. Maxillary estivation. What is maxillary estivation? Maxillary estivation is characteristics of the family. Option 1 is Solanaceae. Option B is Brassicaceae. Option 3 is Fabaceae. Option 4 is Asteraceae.
Sir, option 3 Fabaceae.
Yes, very good. Option 3 is the correct answer. Maxillary estivation. What is another name of maxillary estivation? As per insert.
Papilionaceous. Papilionaceous.
Papilionaceous. Very good. Next, a group develops in.
Mango.
Right. What are the given options? Tomato, mango, beet, and pea. Option 1 is tomato. Option 2 is mango. Option 3 is beet. Option 4 is pea.
Option 2 mango.
Very good. Option 2 mango. That another example as per NCERT, the given.
Coconut.
Yes, coconut. Next question. The flowers are zygomorphic. 116. The flowers are zygomorphic. Zygomorphic. Option 1 is Datura. Option 2 is mustard. Option 3 is gulmohar. Option 4 is tomato.
Option 3 Gulmohar.
Option 3 gulmohar. Zygomorphic. Option 3 is the correct answer. Next. Which one of the following diagrams represent the placentation in dianthus? Which one of the following diagrams represent the placentation in dianthus? The first diagram is represent what is that placentation?
Marginal placenta.
Very good. Second diagram is represent
Parietal.
parietal, right?
Right.
Yes. Third diagram is represents
Axial.
Right.
axil. Very good. Axil.
Fourth one is free central. That is
Fourth
correct.
one is the
Free central, sir.
Free central. So in the dianthus,
Dianthus free central.
free central classification.
Dianthus and primrose.
Yes, primrose and dianthus free central classification. Fourth option is the correct answer. Next question, 118. Ovaries of inferior in the flowers of.
Plum.
Sir, in three answers it is given option 3, sir.
Yes, that's changed now. That's we have changed it. That's given.
Okay.
Fourth option is correct answer. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Right. Okay. Right. So ovaries of inferior in the flowers of. Option 1 is cucumber. Option 2 is guava. Option 3 plum. Option 4 brinjal.
Option 3 plum.
Yes. Option
Option 3 plum.
3. Very good. Ovaries of inferior in the flowers of flower. Cucumber, guava, inferior.
Inferior.
Brinjal, brinjal. The ovaries superior. Very good. Here the question is ovaries of inferior in the flowers of plum. Ovaries of superior in the flowers of, then what is the answer? Ovaries of superior.
Option 3.
Option 3 only.
Very good. Option 3. So ovaries of superior, of inferior. Next, 119. Estimation of the petals in the flowers of cotton is correctly shown. The first one diagram is represents that. The axillary. Very good.
Axillary.
Axillary. Next, is it there in flowers of cotton is estimation? The second diagram as given valvate. Not to overlap the. What is the answer for this question?
Imbricate estimation, sir. Option 4.
Option 4, what is that? The diagram shows that.
Or twisted, sir.
Twisted. Very good.
Option 3.
In cotton, the type of estimation is
Twisted.
Twisted.
Twisted. So among these 4 diagrams, it's the axillary. Next one is a valvate. Third one is the imbricate. Fourth one is the
Twisted.
Twisted. Fourth one or diagram. No? One just. This is the 4th diagram. This one is One petal, one sepal. One edge is present outside, another edge is inside. So what is the name of this estivation? The fourth one is the floral appendages.
Twisted.
One edge is twisted. So which
Twisted.
type of estivation is seen in cotton?
Twisted estivation.
Twisted estivation. So what is the answer for this question? Which option is correct answer?
Fourth option.
Fourth option. Fourth option. Very good. Next, endosperm is consumed by developing embryo in the seed of
P.
yes. Endosperm is consumed by developing embryo in the seed of what are the given options? Option 1 is maize. Option 2 is coconut. Option 3 is castor. Option 4 is B. Endosperm is consumed by developing embryo. In P, right? Very good. Fourth option. Endosperm is not consumed by developing embryo in the seeds of. Endosperm is not consumed by, not complete consumed by developing embryo. Endosperm is not completely consumed by developing embryo in the seeds of maize, coconut,
P.
castor, cereals, rice, wheat, maize. And which plant seeds the endosperm is consumed by developing embryo in the seed of?
Non-endospermic seeds.
Yes. What are the
Non-endosperm.
given
P.
as per NCERT? Right. P,
P. Groundnut.
groundnut, and B. P, groundnut, and bean seeds are also called as non-endospermic, exalbuminous, or non-albuminous seeds. The fourth option is correct answer. Next question, 121. The ovaries of inferior in the flowers of inferior. Option 1 is guava. Option 2 is peach. Option 3 cucumber. Option 4 cotton.
Option 2 P.
Option 2 peach.
Option 2 P.
Very good. Next question number 122. The technical term used for the androecium in a flower of China rose is option 1
Monodelphous.
is
Monodelphous.
monodelphous, didelphous, and what is the given options? Option 1 is polyadelphous, polyadelphous. Option 2 is monoadelphous. Option 3 is diadelphous. Option 4 polyadelphous.
Option 2 Monodelphous.
Monodelphous. An example of axial placentation is
Lemon.
lemon. Lemon. Second option is the correct answer. Edible part in coconut is
Endosperm.
edible part. Very good.
Endosperm.
Endosperm. First option is correct answer. Edible part in mango is
Mesocarp.
Mesocarp.
mesocarp. Very good.
Mesocarp.
Mesocarp. The given options for option 1 mesocarp, option 2 epicarp, option 3 endocarp, option 4 epidermis. Edible part in mango is mesocarp. First option is the correct answer. Diadelphous condition is present on diadelphous condition.
Rhizome.
Option 3, Pysantium.
Option 3 Pisum sativa.
Rhizome sativa.
Yes. Next, maxillary estivation is characteristics family. That's
Sir, floral formula represents.
yes, floral formula. Floral formula. Represents floral formula represents What are the given options? Option 1 is number and arrangement of floral parts. Option 2, number of flowers in a inflorescence.
Option 1.
Sir, option 1, sir.
Option 1 is correct answer. Next, the vexillum, standard petal, wings and keel in pea flowers constitute.
Corolla.
Very good, corolla. That's option 1 calyx, option 2 corolla.
Option 2 corolla.
Yes, corolla. Next, seed is a. Seed is option 1, fertilized embryo. Option 2, fertilized ovary.
Fertilized ovule.
Option
Fertilized
3, fertilized fruit. Very good.
Fertilized ovule, sir. Option 4.
Very good. Fertilized ovule. Next, drupe has
Hard endocarp.
hard endocarp. Drupe has option 1 hard epicarp, option 2 hard endocarp, option 3 hard mesocarp, option 4 no epicarp. Hard endocarp. Very good. Second option is correct answer. Next, match sign with select the correct answer using the codes given below.
Sir, option 3, sir.
Yes. C4 means
4 fused petals.
4 fused petals. Very good. K4,
4 free sepals.
C4 within the bracket, right? K4, 4 free sepals. Very good. Very good. Next, P6,
6 free tepals.
6 free tepals. Right. Next, A4,
4 free stamens.
4 free stamens. So what is the answer for this question? C 4 fused petals. P2, Q, Q3.
R1.
Yes, or
1. Sir, here it is printed R again, but it is S.
yes,
Yes.
A4. That's the 3. Option 3 is the correct answer.
Correct option, option 3, sir.
Yes, option 3 is correct answer. Next, choose correct option. Choose correct option, column 1 and column 2.
Second option, sir.
What is P? Polyadelphus. Polyadelphus.
Sir, Polyadelphus citrus.
Citrus. Monodelphus.
Monodelphus China rose.
China rose. Very good. Diadelphus.
P. sativum.
P.
Yes. Diadelphus P.
First option.
So P is P3, Q monodelphus Q1 or diadelphus R2. First option is the correct answer. Next, name the labeling part of given diagram. P is indicates that.
Endosperm.
Q embryo.
Q embryo. Very good. P endosperm. Q embryo. So first option is the correct answer. Next, flowers are asymmetric in.
Kenna.
Kanna.
Flowers are asymmetric in Kenna. First option. Yes. Next, root nodules are present in.
Fabaceae.
Option 2. Yes, Fabaceae. The first option is the correct answer. Do you have any doubts now regarding this session today's? question paper. Who are got?
No doubts.
No.
No.
How many of them are got out? Please message me answer. Abhay?
Sir, I don't write NEET, sir. I write only JE.
Okay. Tanisha? Yours?
One drop.
One drop. Okay. Brahmara? Which question, Tanisha?
So that, sir, about this one is there, no, sir. So the filler tax is the arrangement of, sir, something like that. That question is there. So 1 minute I'll tell.
Okay. Brahmara? Mrs. Me. One question wrong. Meenu. Murli, L. Swami. Yes.
The floral formula represents what?
Yes.
Question is there?
Yes. Okay. The floral formula represents the arrangement of the floral appendages and number.
Sir, I thought it to be the type of flower in a family.
No. Okay. Tomorrow we will discuss about that remaining concept.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.